This is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So the first step is to turn on Bluetooth, mobile data and Wi-Fi. So in my case those three are active, as you can see. Then launch the control center by swiping downward from the right part of your status bar. Among the available shortcuts, find the one that says nearby share. Here it is in my case. Touch and hold onto its tile, then turn on this use nearby share switch. In here you can rename the device if you want to. I'll rename it to HardReset Ultra. Here you can turn on or turn off the device visibility, and once the device is actually visible you can change the mode. So for example, you can make it so that your device will be only visible to your Samsung Galaxy Ultra will be visible to only your devices, or to put it in other words, to the devices that have the same Google account logged into or signed into. Then you can make it so that your device will be visible to only the people from your contacts list or to everyone that is in range. And final thing that you can configure if you would like to is the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. And at this stage our device is all ready to receive some files or images or whatever that is through the nearby share. So I happen to have another phone in my hands, so I'll test it out using it. I'll just decide, or I'll choose to share this little screenshot, let's say, through the nearby share. Now I'll wait for my Ultra to get discovered over here. Here it is. Tap on it, then accept transfer at the receiver's end. Wait for the transfer to get completed. And as you can see here we have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.